Hi, today I am going to show you how to flash stock TOT file on your LG Optimus Z970 or unbrick your device by a security error. I am using AT&T LG Optimus ZE970. First thing you need to do is download the firmware. Now you need to go to XGA thread link. I already linked it in the description. Click the zip file, open and download it. This is the Jelly Bean firmware for LG E970. You click it and download the zip file. I have already downloaded, so I just opening the zip, open it and extract the TOT file in it. This is the TOT file. I have extracted in on desktop. Now time to rename the TOT file to bin file. Right click on TOT file, rename and delete TOT and place bin. Now you have a firmware bin file. Now change yes. Now you need to download the LG NPST tool. I have already downloaded and extracted on desktop. Now run install.bat administrator. Now press enter. Now it will install the LG drivers and other files. Install. I have skipped this part. Press enter. Now the people on who are on 32-bit system, your LG Electronics folder is in program files, not in program file x86. Now go to the LG Electronics folder, LG and PST, and run LG and PST SEG. Double click and open it. This is your LG and PST. It will look like it, and you have bin file. DLL file is already included in software. Now press both volume up and volume down key and plug it in USB cable. First time I messed up and accidentally turn on the LG. Now hold power key to turn off. To turn off, you have to press both volume up and down both key at the same time and plug your USB cable in your device. It will turn and down. It will boot in download mode. Just here you go. You can see that my device is plugged in download mode. Now take it aside. After plugging in your device, it will start to install drivers for download mode on your computer or PC. That error. See, your device's drivers are installing. Devices show up in a few seconds. Drivers are installing. It takes few seconds. See, your device is connected already. Now click on device and click on put it emergency mode. Click DLL file browse. Oh, sorry, my internet connection is timeout. Connection failed. Sorry for this interruption. Close. Now click on device, click on emergency and DLL file browse and select the LGS 970. Now click on browse it and open bin file which we already have extracted and renamed. Open this file. Now you have both files loaded. Now click on start. It will erase your data on the phone, so and press OK. to start flashing phone. Now this will take a minute or two. When your device when this flashing the flashing will done in 67% to 80 between in this flashing will done between 67% to 85%. If your phone is boot up, then you can unplug your device and use it. If your phone doesn't boot up to 85%, you have to keep it up to 100%. Normally there is no need to keep it 100%. So flashing. See, my phone is boot up in say 67% and it is fully restored at 85%. No need to keep it more, so I unplug it device. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.